I've been doing my own thing, doing good in my own lane. Started wearing my own name, but it ain't on the gold chain. Saying things that they won't say, making moves that they can't play. Half of these rappers got no soul, probably sold it on eBay. Turning this shit to a brand, it was a part of the plan. No one knew who I was, now they know who I am.
What's going on, everybody? Ryan Motivates back at you here with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be speaking about a secret that I learned about how you can get rich. So I first want to make a disclaimer. I'm not rich myself, but I've heard this from other millionaires, and I've heard this in books. I've read this in books, financial books that have been millionaires themselves. So this tip is coming from other millionaires, advice that I have learned, but I just don't want to fake it and be something that I'm not. One thing that I am is I keep it real. And I'm not rich. I'm not a millionaire right now, but it doesn't mean that I'm not going to be, right? So this advice has been so good, so I just have to let you guys know. And the advice is this: in order to acquire millions of dollars or to be rich, whatever rich means to you, however much money you want, you first have to realize that it's about giving back to the world. Because a lot of people, they think that being rich is just taking money. How can I take money from here? How can I take money from there? And they just hoard money. And they think that's what's going to make them rich. People become money hoarders and they become takers instead of givers. But the secret to the rich is they give to the world. So whatever you can do to the world, the problem you can solve is the money you're going to get in return. And I'll use this, platform as an example for myself. I'm making YouTube videos. I'm giving back to the world. I'm giving my knowledge. I'm giving my experience. I'm giving my entertainment. But in turn, I could get paid for that. I'm making music as well. I'm giving entertainment to others, and in turn, I could get paid for that. So the secret is just give back to the world as many ways as you can, and then you will get paid for it. That's how you become rich. And then you become funnels of money. Think about a book. When an author writes a book and he puts it in the store, he gave knowledge to those people. And what does he get in return? Money. People focus so much on investing too. Oh, I want to take my $100 and invest it. What is your $100 going to do if it doubles? It's going to be $200. What's $200 going to do for you? Not that much, right? But if you give back to the world and you accumulate a lot of wealth and then you invest, that's a different story. If you invest $100,000, then it doubles. Now you have $200,000. That does more for you when you make $100,000 in investments and gains, right? But I think people think too small-minded. They think, oh, I'm in the game. I'm on the road to be a millionaire. I'm investing my $100. It's literally funny because they don't understand this concept. You first have to give to the world. What services can you provide? Then you get paid for that, and with that payment, you invest in real estate, fucking the stock market, cryptocurrency, whatever you choose. There's a lot of ways. That's a whole nother topic. But the first part people get wrong. You have to focus on making the money. And how do you make the money? You have to provide a service to the world. You have to solve people's problems. You have to give to the world. Being a giver allows you to be rich, not a taker. What happens with takers is they take a lot of money, but they don't end up having a money tree because they never gave to people. Right? And you can see this with fake, YouTubers as well. They just want to take the viewers' money for their merch and it's crap, and they don't have an actual authentic audience because they didn't give proper materials or whatever to people. So they're like, why would I keep contributing to that? Right? So it's a very powerful concept that I learned and I'm going to implement. And like I said, I personally am a personal trainer as well. What am I giving? I'm changing someone's life to be unhealthy, then healthy. From being overweight to underweight and healthy, right? To lose weight. Or if someone is weak, make them stronger. I'm giving them a service, then I make money. If I want to make fitness videos to giving to more people, the more that I give, the more that I'm going to get. If I write a book, the more people I impact, and the more money I'm going to get. My music, same thing. So it's all about giving to different avenues. It could be whatever. You could do a regular job and then give haircuts on the weekend and make extra money. But how are you making that extra money? Because you're giving haircuts. Giving is the key to success and money. And I learned this in Tony Robbins' book a lot. His last chapter was about giving. He was down to his last dollars and he gave his money away. And he got blessed. Money came back to him. When you give, you receive. When you take, you receive nothing. It's a scarcity mindset. You don't build the money tree. People are so focused on saving pennies instead of making thousands and then doubling that. Right? Saving is good, but if you're saving thousands, saving doesn't mean anything if you're saving dollars or $100. That means nothing. That's little boy stuff. I'm talking about being rich. Right? Your mindset has to be thinking bigger than the average person. I'm talking about millions, not thousands, not hundreds. Right? And that's the difference between the average person and the person who ends up becoming successful and rich. Is this secret right here. So figure out what you can give to the world. Reflect. What skills do I have that I can provide to the world? It could be anything. It could be a service. If you know a language, you can tutor people on learning that language and make extra money on the side. Different avenues on what you can give to others. So write down in your notes a spreadsheet or something. What can I give to the world that's going to bring me money? And whatever resonates with you. And guess what? My YouTube channel is not giving back to me yet. My music is not giving back to me yet in terms of money to become rich. But it will. It takes time, patience. If you're passionate about it, you keep going. I'm going to do this. I'm just going to keep doing it. And I hope you can stick to whatever you're trying to give to the world as well. Never stop. Just keep on giving. And then the richness comes back to you. But it doesn't come right away. It's earned. It's not given. And that's the other thing. People aren't built for success because they have to earn it. It's not given to them. You know, if you're willing to stick it out, take criticism, be patient, it will come. Success will come, money will come. Years down the line, not months, years, with a capital Y. Right? So hopefully you guys take this lesson into consideration. You reflect on some things. And I wish you all the best in becoming wealthy and successful. And you know, give back to others as well. Don't try to keep the money for yourself. You can buy nice things, but also help others in need. That's the beautiful thing about money. Then you have the ability to help others. You can contribute to your community and all these things. So I hope you do that. This has been Ryan Motivates. Like the video, subscribe for more content coming your way. Peace out, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed.